Hey everyone, I'm going to quickly show you how you can quickly customize a Kawasaki KLX 110 custom graphics kit using the Deviant Ink online wrap customizer tool. So we're going to jump right into it. We are on deviantink.com. You're going to want to hit the navigation in the left sidebar, hit the dirt tab, drop down to dirt bike, then slide over to Kawasaki. Once you are there, you're going to see there are 70 plus designs. We're always adding more designs to the catalog. But you're going to notice that there's, as you scroll through, there's all sorts of colors. You got all sorts of color options. Don't pay too much attention about how we are displaying these colors, because you can click into any of these and customize any of them. And what I mean by customize is you can drag and drop logos, change the color of your logos, add numbers, change the color of your numbers, and you can customize all of the different colors. So if you like this Miami Vice vibe, but you don't like, that you're not like a teal and pink kind of person, you want it to be a green or something else, just click the customize, jump into the wrap customizer tool, and you'll be on your way. First things first, though, don't forget to click the account icon in the top right. That's going to take you to a page where if you haven't created an account yet on our website, you can. The reason why you want to do that is because you can build out a bunch of different designs and then save them to your account, drop back into them, edit them, send them, share them, to your riding crew, get feedback. And so we make it really easy for you to, spend time designing and then save them to your account and then not lose them. So you can always jump back into a design and design it up. So, as we look through some of these, I already pre-selected a few of these. This is what it looks like if you land on like our superstar design. You will click the customize button right here. It's a red button. Click that. That'll take you into our wrap customizer tool. This is our online tool that we have developed. Pretty slick. Down here at the bottom, you have all your controls. It starts with accent colors. Since we are on a Kawasaki, we could change these to be, more of a green color, obviously. So I can go through and do this right now. All this is going to do is give me just a little bit more of an idea, of what my bike really looks like underneath the plastics. All right. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to jump over to wrap colors. So this is where the magic happens. Okay, we got a lot of red in this design. Let's say we wanted to just take out that Indy Honda red and drop it down to Kawasaki green, right? So just like that, I'm going to jump back over here and just play around with that. And just like that, we took a bike that looked red to us and now it is green. And we can say, I don't want white. Maybe I want, like a dark olive or a squadron green. Okay, that's maybe my vibe. Maybe I want more black. Okay, maybe I want, more Kawasaki green on the bike. Okay, so you can do that. We've got some gradients down here that can be fun to play with, right? But we'll make it black. Okay, just for the purposes of this. This is our flow design. All right, so next up is the logos tab. All right, so maybe we want to throw a Fox logo on there. So just so we can see the logos easily, and I'm going to make it white. Okay, I'm just going to drop it right here. And I might, just for fun, throw a Deviant Ink logo in there. Just kind of show you how You can do any logo. If you're trying to throw a logo on, maybe you've got like a local business, or we just don't happen to have the logo on our online wrap customizer tool, no worries. Okay. All you'll do is when you're in the logo tab, just hit can't find logo, write in the logo here, right? You can add it, kind of throw it maybe in like, you know, the general direction. The other thing to notice is we use the same, Kawasaki mock-up for our customizer. So this may not look like, the KLX 110 that you have. Don't worry though, because we're using this as kind of a template. As when you submit your order, we're going to get it. We're going to mock it up on the actual KLX 110 file. We will then spin that back around to you. You will get a proof. You'll be able to look at it, look at all the logos, look at the placements. And if we need to revise it, we will. If it's good to go, we'll send it to printers. So don't worry. We'll get it dialed into exactly how you want it before it heads to the printers. But so if we don't have your logo on the site, once that order comes in, we'll grab that logo file from you and get it uploaded onto your design. So let's move over to personalize. Let's say we want to toss a number on here. Okay. I still had that highlighted, so it did that. Let's just go here, 318. We're going to add that in. Okay, we're still white. We've got a few different font options, okay, that you can use here. And to drop your numbers on. I'm going to add another one. Put it here. The other thing that you can do is on your order notes, when these come in, you can say I want to outline my logos and my numbers with white or some sort of color. You can't throw an outline on our logos and personalization options yet on our customizer tool, but you can definitely do that during the editing, during the proofing process. So I'm gonna change that color to my Kawasaki green. Okay, and there we go. Next up will be coverage. We offer full coverage. And then the next option are our overlays. And we've got your chrome, we've got our, the standard gloss and matte. We've got some sparkle flakes, some gold flake. We've got the chrome, the holographics, the sparkle chrome, sparkle holographics. You can trick this thing out however you want. But that's it. This is our flow design. I think we started, where did we start it at? So it originally looked like this right here. And we went in and customized it and got it looking like this. And so we mimic both sides. Want to make sure I don't forget anything. We mimic both sides. So you do see the right side here. We throw the same logos and everything on the other side of your app. So there you go. Kawasaki KLX 110, how to customize a premium graphics kit using the Deviant Ink online wrap customizer tool. Thanks, guys.